In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set storage limits in Google Workspace. This is an important tool for managing your organization's data usage and ensuring everyone has the necessary resources without exceeding your overall storage capacity. Whether you're a small business or a large corporation, these steps will guide you through the process with ease. First things first, you need to access your Google Workspace. Now, to get started, open your web browser and navigate to Google Workspace. This may seem straightforward, but sometimes it's the small details that count. Next, you'll want to click on the admin console. It's important to have administrative privileges to proceed with these settings, so make sure you have the correct credentials. Once you're on the admin console page, you'll need to log in using your business email account. Ensure you have the right email and password handy because accessing the admin panel requires verified access to keep your data secure. Once you're successfully logged in, direct your attention to the Google Apps menu located at the top right of your screen. Clicking this will expand a menu with various services that Google offers. From here, what you'll do next is click on the admin icon. This icon grants you entry to deeper administrative settings of your Google Workspace, including managing user accounts, apps, and of course storage settings. Moving forward, you're going to navigate to the storage settings. There is a direct link to storage provided which you can click on, or alternatively you can explore through the menu options manually to find it. This section is where all your storage management happens, and you'll find various tools to optimize and control storage across your organization. Now, once you've arrived at the storage settings page, look for the Manage button. Clicking this will bring you to a more detailed settings panel specifically for managing storage capacities. This is a crucial step as you are getting closer to setting those storage limits for your users. Next, within the Manage settings, you'll want to select the option labeled as User Storage Limit. This is the specific feature that allows you to set or adjust the storage capacity each user can access on Google Workspace. After selecting the user storage limit, you'll see an option to turn the limits on. By enabling this feature, you're activating the storage constraints which will ensure users operate within predefined boundaries, thus preventing excessive storage usage which can tie up your resources. Finally, all there's left to do now is to save these settings. Simply click on Save to apply the changes. Once done, you've successfully set storage limits in your Google Workspace, ensuring efficient and controlled data management. This setup will help prevent storage overages and ensure consistent service performance across your organization.